Welcome to our Canvas page. When you log on each day, you'll click on the blue Daily Check-in button first. This will help us take attendance. On the form, verify that the week is correct and that your name pops up on the form. Otherwise, you might be counted absent from the day. You'll click Submit for your attendance, and then you are ready to start the activities for that day. You should be able to access our class by clicking on the tab on the top of your browser. If you continue scrolling down, you should see a link to my email right underneath my photo. I have 4-period conference and tutorial times will be sent out at a later date. If you continue scrolling down, really important at the bottom of the screen is our 6 weeks calendar. You can see exactly what we're doing each day. And this gets updated anytime there's a change in our schedule as well. So you see there's a lab scheduled for Thursday and Friday. There's a quiz scheduled on September the 3rd. And you can move through the different months and it will show you exactly what we're doing each day of the 6 weeks. At the very bottom, the course summary, these are events that have been added to your calendar. So for my virtual students who will be logging on via Zoom, there is a direct link for each class period for each day that we will be meeting together. And those should pop up on your calendar. Tests have also been added to your calendar, so those will pop up as well. All right. So now that you have clicked the blue Daily Check-in button, you're ready to start today's lessons. You will always go to Modules next. Under Modules, you will have classroom procedures and expectations and a direct link to your textbook at the top of the screen every day. That will always be there in case you need an extra resource. Then you'll see the modules week by week. They are scheduled by day. You can't move ahead until you've completed all of Monday's activities. So for Monday, day 1, you'll see the lesson objectives and key concepts. Once you've reviewed what those concepts are, and for this Monday, the student is expected to introduce themselves to the class, learn classroom procedures, and understand overall expectations. You should be able to click the next button, and it will take you to the next activity within that module. The next activity is always going to be an engage. You see this little firecracker here, and they're always going to be discussion boards. So for this engage, please post a short video that includes the following: your first and last name, one hobby, and your favorite element on the periodic table. Once you've submitted, then you should be able, you'll hit reply to submit your video, and then you should be able to click next once you're done. After the engage, that's our bell ringer for the day to get you ready for the day's activities. After the engage, let's give this a second to load up. You should have the activity for the day. It will be listed as the Explore, Explain, Elaborate. So here you have one activity, and that's going to be to review the classroom procedures and expectations. And the last thing that you'll do is the exit ticket. So you'll click on the exit ticket, you'll submit that assignment, and then you're done for day 1. You will not continue. On Tuesday, you'll come back to class. You'll click that blue Daily Check-in button. You'll go to Modules, and then you'll start here. Tuesday, day 2. You'll see the lesson objectives and key concepts for that specific day. You'll complete the engage. That will open the Explore, Explain, Elaborate tab, and will open the activities for that day. The very last thing you'll do each day is the exit ticket. Once your exit ticket is completed, you will stop there and you are done for the day. One last time, just in case you are confused or have a question or something didn't work out quite right, if you need to contact me, the fastest way to do so is to click this link right underneath my photo to send me an email, and that will get sent to me directly, and I can answer your questions just as quickly as possible. I look forward to working with you and can't wait for this year to get started.